5-Minute English. Prepositions: in, on, at. What are prepositions? Prepositions are small words that tell you the position, time, or direction of something. They help us understand where or when something happens. We use in, on, at as prepositions of place.
In the house, on the bed, at the station.
And prepositions of time.
In April, on Friday, at 5 o'clock.
Prepositions of place. In.
We use in for cities and countries, rooms and buildings, closed spaces, and three-dimensional space. In the bathroom, in the park, in the car, in the garden, in Italy, in Paris.
There is someone in the tent.
The wrench is in the toolbox.
On.
We use on for surfaces and transport. On the table, on the floor, on the wall, on the bus, train, plane, on a bicycle, bike, on a horse.
There are 3 ants on the blanket.
The children are on the bus to school. At.
We use at in fixed expressions and when you think of a place as a location in a larger area. At school, at work, at home, at a bank, at the hospital, at the cinema.
They are at work.
She is at the cinema.
Prepositions of time. In.
We use in for months, seasons, years, decades, centuries, periods of the day. In August, in 2002. In the summer, in the 1960s. In the 20th century. In the morning.
Their wedding is in July.
Children make snowmen in winter.
On.
We use on for days, dates, and special days. On Friday. On the 22nd of March. On Christmas Day. On my birthday.
We have a family lunch on Christmas Day.
People play tricks on April the 1st.
At.
We use at for clock times, meal times, and breaks, holidays. At 7 o'clock. At lunchtime. At midnight. At night. At Easter. At the weekend.
He gets up at 7 o'clock.
I meet my friend at lunchtime. This is Ars Voxis Language Studio, helping you speak with clarity and confidence.